Hello, everyone. Thank you for watching another episode at Investing with All I See is W. Today, I wanted to make this video during the evening on a Sunday to share with you some additional insights on tickers that I feel can add significant value to your investment portfolio. But first, before I begin sharing my information, I'd like to inform you that the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only, and anytime when you make an investment decision, please do your own research. Let's get started. Ticker number one I wanted to share with you is VBI Vaccines by the ticker VBIV. As you can see, the share price had gone down close to 5% at the end of Friday, with the share price ending at $3.58. To me, I feel like this is a great buying opportunity because I feel like it can meet its potential run of $5 in the shortcoming. And what I know is that its GBM has demonstrated partial response in phase 1 and 2, and that can potentially bring the price up for VBI vaccines. And I feel like with the Hep B vaccine that's being distributed in Israel at this time, while also trying to get approval in Canada and the United States, this is the blood revenue system for VBI vaccines so that it can also establish its robust COVID-19 program also in Canada. So let's watch out for VBI vaccines. Next up I wanted to share with you is Heat Biologics by the ticker HTBX. Now, this company back in early September, so as you can see here, like back in September 4th, it was hovering at $1.02. At the end of last Friday, it got up to about $1.40. That means that it's gone up 38 cents from a few days later. And what we know is that credibility is building because there is a new member on the scientific advisory board at HTBX. His name is Dr. James Allison, who won the Nobel Prize in 2018. I do see large volume bought at the end of Friday, and that tells us that Monday there can be positive proceeds coming for HTBX. Next up I wanted to share with you is the company iBio Incorporation by the ticker iBio. At the end of Friday, the share price shot up close to 5%, ending at $2.46, $1.94, and now it's gone up to $2.46. And to me, I feel like this share price can go up and go beyond the $5 price target in the shortcoming, because with the current president's political push for vaccine distribution prior to elections, although the expected time frame is mid-year, there can be funding coming for this company iBio. So let's not ignore iBio, because there is going to be continuous funding from my perspective in the long term, where the government will start pouring money into companies like iBio to prevent any biologic pathogens in the future from occurring, like a pandemic like with the COVID-19. So let's not ignore iBio. Next up I wanted to share with you is Sorrento Therapeutics by the ticker SRNE. Now currently the share price is at around $9.43, and as you can see, back in August 10th the share price had gone up to around $20 and it's gone all the way down. I was recommending purchases at around low 6, and you would have capitalized with that additional $3 increase. But to me, I feel like it won't end there for Sorrento Therapeutics, knowing that its COVITrac, one of its 7 COVID-19 related product lines, is now underway in phase 1 clinical trials, and it's quite possible for an EUA on its 2 product lines potentially sometime in 2020 or in 2021. So I do also feel like with Henry G leading this company, the share price can go beyond the $14 in the shortcoming. So let's not ignore SRNE. And for long holders, I feel like this company can easily break through the $30 share price. Next up I wanted to share with you is Sunrun. So as you can see here, like back in April, you can buy a share $12, and now it's gone up $60. And what we know is this stock has been running significantly as demonstrated here on this graph, and it's consistently doing well and is a big time competitor of SolarCity, part of Tesla. And to me, the risk is low investing in this company at this time because it's continuously growing and it has high quality solar products with the high demand at this time. At least you can see that in the Bay Area, and there's so much marketing going around with Sunrun. Next up I wanted to share with you is the company Tesla. And again, share price hovered up by $18 per share end of Friday. And to me, I just feel like it's a great buying opportunity if the purchase price is less than 498, which is the resistance peak during September 1st timeframe, then buying Tesla can be viewed as discounted purchase price. So to me, purchasing at the low, at the discounted price from August 31st is a win with Tesla because this is the benchmark for electric vehicles, and there will be solid revenue profitability coming for Tesla for years to come. Next up I wanted to share with you quickly is the company Inovio Pharmaceuticals by the ticker INO. One fact I wanted to share with you is the CEO Joseph Kim has 2 conferences this week. Enough said, and there's potential for a bull run weeks to come, days to come, months to come. It's very unexpected with Inovio, but it's looking very promising with its pre-approved COVID-19 vaccine, the INO 4800, a DNA-based vaccine. It's looking like it's safe and it's effective, at least demonstrated in the phase 1, but let's see how it demonstrates safety and efficacy in phase 2 and phase 3. So I'm looking forward to see that data. Now, next up I wanted to share with you is the company Pacific Ethanol by the ticker PEIX. Now, let's just look at the 6-month trend chart. And back in July, you could have purchased the share price at like 83 cents, and at the end of Friday, it's gone up $7.10 with an increase on Friday at 16%. Now, will this company stop at this time? Well, it's quite possible that it will continue to run PEIX because this Sacramento-based company producing ethanol-based hand sanitizer, there's just an increased demand for ethanol, and with its employee size of 500, I feel like there will just be an increase for hand sanitizer. So that's why this company is working hard at this time, and as you can see, the share price is growing. Let's not ignore PEIX. Next up I wanted to share with you is a COVID-19 related company, VXRT. Now, as you can see, the share price is currently hovering at $8.22, but before it was going at like close to $17 back in July. And during the downtime peak, it got down to like $4, so you could have gained 100% proceeds at $8.22. I did recommend the ticker VXRT at around the low price here at around $4, and look, you could have gained 100% proceeds, but I feel like it won't end there because it may experience the U-shape or the V-shape headway for VXRT. And this pill vaccine company, with its oral pill medication being studied in phase 1, this is easy for distribution because you don't have to worry about temperature requirements and longer expiration dates, and I feel like it can easily go up to the $14 range with VXRT. Next up I wanted to share with you is Altimmune by the ticker ALT. Now, as we are looking at a 6-month trend chart, you can see that the support back in July 20th was $33 per share. It dropped down to $12, and it's increased recently in the prior week up through now at $14. And this company produces single-dose intranasal vaccine to protect against the COVID-19. So they're also working on a Hep T cell in phase 1 for patients with Hep B virus. And this company is located in Maryland, collaborating with the University of Alabama on the AdCOVID. So there's room for growth with ALT, and I do foresee that the share price can go up to the $20 range, if not more. Now, next up I want to share with you is the last ticker, and that is Co-Diagnostics by the ticker CODX. And as you can see, back in August, the share price was hovering at $28. It got back down to the single digit, but now, 2 weeks later, early September up through now, third week of September, we see the share price hovering up to $14.82, and it's gone up 3.56% on Friday. Can it go up back to its prior resistance value? It's quite possible, because with CODX, the fact that Morgan Stanley had recently acquired shares of CODX, I feel like the share price will likely reach its prior resistance. And it previously peaked at $28, as we can see here. And I feel like their co-primer product will likely do well, and this Utah-based company will be put on the map, and investors of CODX will be happy, because I feel like the share price can V-shape up. So that's all, folks. And overall, I hope that this video was valuable for you, in that it gave you insight on tickers, at least in the biotech sector, as well as in the energy and electric vehicle sector. Now, I hope that this was valuable for you, and thanks again for watching another video at Investing with All I See Is W. Thank you.